Hey guys, what's up? It's Pseudo Pluto here, and it's a really awkward angle, but I'm saying hi, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys my like end all be all keyboard build. Um, Now this is really like a grain of salt because I've only built or like tweaked with two mechanical keyboards before, but I think I don't need to anymore because I'm really loving this one. And so this is a HyperX Alloy Origins Core. It's a 10 keyless 10 keyless keyboard with some tactile switches. I think it's like HyperX Aquas. And I want to just go over what I did to basically make this daily driverable. So the first thing I did was I opened this bad boy up, and then I put in, not this exact one, I got like a thicker, spongier version, but some shelf liner. And basically what this does is this kind of fills in the dead space in the keyboard and reduces the amount of like echo that the keyboard has. And I don't know if I found like that big of a difference while doing it, but it was definitely a fun thing to do to remove all the keys and open up the keyboard and then like fit this stuff inside. It's kind of like a fun DIY type thing. I'll post the video that I used, the video guide that I used to do this. It is not really for the faint of heart, so I wouldn't get too nervous if it takes a while to go ahead and pry open the middle halves because it is like glued together. But yeah, just have some patience and you'll be all right. And so the next part I did was I used this bike lubricant. It's called Finish Line Extreme Fluro, and I'll drop the link in the description. But basically this is lubricant, and I did this to painstakingly lube up all the keys and the stabilizers of this keyboard. And basically what that means is that it's really dangerous to have OBS open while I'm doing this. So I'll open up a text editor. Yeah, so now I don't know if you can hear that. Let's put it like right there. Yeah, so I think it sounds really good now. I'm not that much into keyboards, so I'm just like a hobbyist, so take that with a grain of salt. Yeah, basically I did that to basically lube up the switches and make everything slide cleanly, especially for the stabilizers as well, because there was like a little bit of rattle with this keyboard out of the box. This guy is like kind of expensive, but I needed it for my bike anyways, and unlike like dielectric and grease and everything, I could put this like directly inside the switches, and also use it for like the stabilizers, because like it's that like middle ground of like viscosity that won't like gunk stuff up, but it's like not runny or like that runny that you can't use it for like stabilizers and things. And so once I did that, right, you might be asking, how'd you get these awesome Evangelion, let me turn it around, Evangelion inspired keycaps, right? Like I thought the GMK drop shipping thing or whatever was like super exclusive and like long time ago. Like look, you got like the Nerve logo for your escape key and an angel for the delete button because of course. Yeah, I bought knockoffs on AliExpress. And I made like 2 videos about that too. So I'll link them down below as to how you can get those. And then the last thing is lighting. So I kind of have a theme here. I like the ThinkPads. So I have like 2 ThinkPads, one from work and one for my personal machine. And so I went for the whole black and red aesthetic for my peripherals. So this is the SteelSeries Rival 3. I can't show you. Okay, yeah. And so I basically set this up to just have like a red band of light. It's very minimal. It looks better in real life. Sorry. And then so I had a work laptop with Windows, so I was able to go into the HyperX Ingenuity software and then set up the lighting. So all I did was I had one effect, fade, and so I did it for, open up text editor again. I set it up for like on key press for like 10% intensity and the fastest fading time is on key press, flash the red light. And so it's like a kind of subtle effect with like once you get typing really fast. It's really disorienting, like watching myself type in reverse on the preview of OBS. But yeah, so once you get typing, it looks pretty cool. And that effect, I feel like is pretty good if you have like these cheap knockoff keycaps, because they don't have the best like light blocking ability. So they look kind of ugly when you press the keys. But since it's such a low intensity of the light and it fades so quickly, you don't really notice that. You just kind of get that flash effect of when you type the keys. And yeah, this is my final keyboard build. Hopefully I inspired y'all. And if you have the same keyboard, oh yeah, I have the HyperX wrist rest too. This is also black and red. That's also why I bought it. But yeah, hopefully I inspired y'all. If you had the same keyboard or the same keycaps, awesome, cool. If you wanted more information on like how to set up this keyboard or where to get the keycaps and stuff like that, or the lubricant, I'll post the Amazon link for this guy too. Shelf liner, just get it at any store. I wouldn't go to Amazon just for this. But yeah, hopefully you got inspired. Hopefully, especially if you have the same components or looking for stuff to modify your keyboard, yeah, you have some inspiration and some motivation. And definitely roast me in the comments too. I want the keyboard people to roast me, so I'm also motivated myself to build a new keyboard or customize a new keyboard. But yeah, this is Pseudo Pluto out. See you guys later. Bye.